In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build, save and share filters using enhanced search in Jira Cloud. We're going to go through each step, making sure you feel confident in creating and managing filters in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Jira Cloud and navigate to your specific project area. Once there, look at the top of your screen and click on Issues. This is your starting point and it will serve as the base where you can begin crafting your search criteria. Now, to define your filter criteria, you have two options. You can either stick with the basic search, which is straightforward and user-friendly, or if you're feeling up for a challenge, you can dive into the Jira query language, often referred to as JQL. JQL gives you the flexibility to create more complex queries that can precisely pinpoint the issues you are looking to highlight. As an example, let's use a simple search to see only the tasks that are marked as completed. In the search bar, simply type status equals done. This straightforward query will filter only those issues whose status has been set to done, giving you a clear view of completed tasks. Once you've entered your criteria, execute the search to make sure everything's functioning as expected. This step is vital because you'll want to ensure your query is pulling up exactly what you need. If it looks good, you're ready to move on. Next, look for the Save Filter button. Click on it. This button is your gateway to converting your search into a reusable filter. Give your filter a descriptive name, something memorable and clear so you can easily identify it later. Also, feel free to add a brief description if it might help others, or yourself later, understand the purpose of this filter at a glance. After naming your filter, click Save. With that click, you've successfully stored your search criteria as a filter, making it easily accessible for future uses. Let's make sure it's there. Head over to Filters on the left panel and select View All Filters. You should see your new filter listed there. Now it's time to share. Click on the filter you've created and head to the top right of your screen where you'll find the Share option. Click on it. Here you can enter the names or teams you wish to share the filter with. If you'd like, you can even include a message to provide some context. Finally, just hit Share and you're done. But there's one more thing. Jira gives you the convenience of sharing via a simple link. Click on Copy Link if you prefer to share the filter through an alternative method. And that's it. You've just learned how to efficiently create, save, and share filters in Jira Cloud, enhancing your search capabilities like a pro. Happy filtering?